You bought quality leather sandals because you're done replacing cheap ones every summer. Smart move. But here's the villain that nobody talks to you about. It's not heavy wear, it's not the sand or the ocean, it's waiting. Most people wait far too long to care for their leather. They wait until the leather's cracked, dry, and faded before they do anything. And by then, you're trying to restore, not maintain. These sandals right here, a few months of wear, they're still looking great, and that's exactly where you want to catch them. Hey guys, my name is Evan, and it's my goal to share the skills and tools needed to love your leather. If you're like me, you probably spend way more time in flip-flops than in sneakers or boots. I'm in Southern California, where suffocating your toes at the beach is basically a crime, so our sandals get tons of daily wear. So today, we're going to be reviving and prolonging these beautiful Southern polished, smooth leather sandals so you can get years of comfortable wear out of them. So, let's get to it. First things first, grab your supplies. We'll be using Leather Honey, vetted and approved by Trenton and Heath themselves for their smooth leather sandals. Links in the description below. Step 1, dry cleaning. Grab yourself a soft, clean, dry microfiber cloth and gently go over the straps and footbed. If you have a brush of any kind, all the better to get into those nooks and crannies. We're just removing the dust, sand, and any loose debris sitting on the surface so we don't scratch the leather. I know this step may seem simple, but it's important. If you skip it and you jump straight into a cleaner or push too hard, you're basically rubbing tiny pieces of sandpaper into your leather, which over time may cause unnecessary scratches and wear. Step 2, wet cleaning. I'm using Leather Honey Leather Cleaner. It's specifically made for leather, it's non-toxic, and it's designed to lift dirt, sweat, and body oils without stripping color or drying out the leather. Simply grab a clean portion of your microfiber cloth, apply a small amount of cleaner, and gently wipe down your leather. It's that simple. And because these leather sandals sit right against your bare feet, it's important to use the right leather care products around your skin. This cleaner is formulated to be gentle and is EPA Safer Choice certified, and that means that it meets strict standards for human safety and environmental impact, which is exactly what you want on leather that's touching your skin. Personally, I have sensitive skin, so this is my no-brainer cleaner. Key rule here, don't make it a habit of soaking your leather. Getting them wet is totally fine. It's going to happen. This leather can really take a beating, especially if you're conditioning them regularly. They'll just last a lot longer if you're not fully soaking or saturating them in water. But if they do get wet, simply pat them dry and let them air dry with no heat. Salt water or chlorinated water, use fresh water to lightly rinse it off, and every so often use a little conditioner to keep the leather in good shape. Step 3, conditioning. Once your leather sandals are completely dry, it's time to hydrate your leather. We'll be using Leather Honey Leather Conditioner. And now's a great time to see how dry and thirsty your leather is, because this is about to make a huge difference if you've neglected your leather. Simply take a clean portion of your microfiber cloth and apply a pea-sized amount of conditioner, evenly dispersing it into your cloth before applying. As always, it's important to spot test to prevent any unexpected results. Then, with light pressure, evenly and thoroughly disperse the conditioner onto the footbed and straps, ensuring you don't miss any spots, as this can lead to uneven wear or uncomfortable portions of your leather sandal when you wear it. Something important about this leather conditioner is that it's oil-based and compared to wax-based. It's designed to penetrate deep into the leather fibers and replenish the oils that keep your leather soft, flexible, and resistant to drying and cracking over time. Instead of just sitting on the surface, it seeps in and nourishes from within and won't leave a sticky or tacky residue like wax-based conditioners will. At this point, you may find that your leather has become a bit darker, but don't worry about that, it's just wet. Your leather will dry to the original color once fully absorbed, so simply wait around 24 hours to fully absorb and then wipe off any leftover conditioner to ensure no sticky or tacky residue remains. For most people, one application can last up to around 6 months, depending on how often you wear your sandals. And that's exactly what Southern Polished's own guidance says, a very light coat of conditioner just a few times a year or as needed. And this is really all you need for your smooth and pebbled leathers. So instead of treating your leather sandals like cheap throwaway flip-flops, you're treating them like what they truly are, a well-made leather sandal that's worthy to be cared for. Remember that this simple routine, brush, clean, and condition, helps them stay comfortable, look better with age, and stay on your feet for years to come. And if you guys haven't checked out Trenton and Heath sandals, definitely head over to southernpolish.com. They offer a wide variety of quality leather sandals for both men and women that are made right here in the USA, just south of Nashville, Tennessee. Not just that, they also offer a lifetime warranty, so you never have to worry about something like a broken strap. And for a limited time, use code AVUMMIES at checkout for an extra special bonus discount for sandals that provide all-day comfort and last a lifetime. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you own a pair of leather sandals, shoes, or boots, consider subscribing with the bell icon for more expert leather care tutorials to keep your leather looking and feeling great for years to come. And don't forget to leave any questions you have in the comments below. I read every one. Now, if you either have Suede or Nubuck leather sandals like these ones, there's a different method to care for them. So check out this video next if you want to enjoy that soft, buttery feel underneath your feet again. I'll see you over there, and remember to love your leather.